Your Gmail keeps everything: emails, photos, bank alerts. If your password is weak or leaked, your account is at risk. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Gmail password on your phone and on your laptop. It's quick and easy. First, let's see how to do it on your mobile phone. Open the Gmail app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the top right. Tap Manage your Google account. Go to the Security tab. Find the section called How you sign into Google. Tap Password. Verify with your current password. Type your new password. Use a password with at least 12 characters, mixed letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid names, birthdays, or common words. Confirm the new password. Tap Change Password, and your password is updated on your phone. Now let's see how to change the password on your laptop. Open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Sign into your Google account. Click Security on the left. Scroll to How you sign into Google. Click Password. Enter your current password. Create your new password. Confirm the new password. Click Change Password. Your password is updated on your laptop. And that's it. You change your Gmail password on mobile and on laptop. Keep it strong, update it regularly. If this helped, like the video, subscribe to Tweak Library, and hit the bell for simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.